the breath of Chennai, a city grappling with air. Clean air is vital for our survival and well-being. It's crucial for our health and the planet. Without clean air, our quality of life diminishes significantly. Cities, especially, face air pollution challenges that are complex and multifaceted. Chennai, a bustling metropolis in India, is no exception. The city's rapid growth has led to increased pollution levels. Sustainable development means balancing growth with environmental protection. This balance is essential for a livable future. To achieve this, we must monitor and manage air quality effectively. Advanced technology plays a crucial role in this endeavor. By understanding the problem, we can find solutions for a healthier future. Collaboration among scientists, city planners, and the community is key. Chennai's growth has come at a cost. The expansion has led to increased emissions and deteriorating air quality. The air we breathe, once vibrant and fresh, is now often heavy with pollutants. This change affects everyone, from the youngest to the oldest. This invisible threat affects us all. It doesn't discriminate and can lead to serious health issues. It impacts our health, our environment, and our future. The consequences are far-reaching and demand immediate action, but there is hope on the horizon. Communities are coming together to tackle this issue head-on. We are now turning to cutting-edge technology to combat this invisible threat. Innovations in AI and drone technology offer new ways to monitor and improve air quality. Chennai's air is a complex mixture, a blend of various pollutants that cloud the atmosphere. Vehicles, factories, and construction sites all contribute significantly to this growing problem. Pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and ozone linger in the air we breathe, creating a toxic environment. These pollutants are more than just a bad smell, they are silent invaders. They pose serious health risks, affecting our lungs and overall well-being. Respiratory problems, heart disease, and even cancer are linked to air pollution. Children are particularly vulnerable to these dangers. Their developing lungs are more susceptible to damage, making them more prone to long-term health issues. The elderly also face higher risks from air pollution as their immune systems are weaker. This invisible threat affects everyone, regardless of age or background. Chennai's air quality demands our immediate attention and action to ensure a healthier future for all. Smart drones are emerging as a powerful tool. These aren't your everyday drones, they are equipped with specialized sensors. These sensors can detect and measure various pollutants in the air. They act like our eyes in the sky, providing real-time data on air quality. Drones offer several advantages over traditional monitoring stations. They are mobile and can access hard-to-reach areas. This allows for a more comprehensive understanding of air pollution patterns. With their agility and precision, they gather crucial data from the sky. Section 4. The AI Oracle predicting Chennai's air. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing many fields. Air quality monitoring is no exception. AI, particularly a type called recurrent neural networks, excels at analyzing complex data patterns. By feeding historical air quality data into recurrent neural networks, we can predict future air pollution levels. Imagine knowing when and where air pollution will be worst. This information is invaluable. It allows us to take preemptive measures to protect public health. Schools could adjust schedules and vulnerable individuals could stay indoors. Section 5. A breath of fresh data planning for a cleaner Chennai. The data gathered by drones and analyzed by AI is transformative. It provides a comprehensive view of the city's air quality. City planners can use this information to make informed decisions. They can strategize effectively to combat pollution. Identifying pollution hotspots allows for targeted interventions. This ensures resources are used efficiently. We can implement stricter emission controls in these areas. This will significantly reduce harmful emissions. Real-time data enables us to respond to pollution events swiftly. Immediate action can prevent further deterioration. Public health advisories can be issued promptly. This keeps the community informed and safe. Traffic flow can be adjusted to reduce congestion. This also helps in lowering vehicular emissions. Construction activities can be halted. This is crucial during high pollution periods. Data-driven decision-making is key to a healthier Chennai. With accurate data, we can create a sustainable future for all. Section 6, Chennai's future: to clearer sky on the horizon. Smart drones and AI offer a powerful combination. They hold the key to a cleaner, healthier future for Chennai. By embracing these technologies, we can create a more sustainable and livable city. Imagine a Chennai where the air is clean and fresh. This is not just a dream, it's an achievable goal. By combining human ingenuity with technological innovation, we can ensure a brighter future for Chennai and its residents. Let's work together to make it happen.